For a long time, I didn't realize this was my real problem. I thought I needed better entries, better indicators, better timing. But in reality, I was taking good trades in the wrong market phase. I tried to scalp when the market was clearly expanding. I tried to fade when it wasn't rotating. And I chased breakouts right before the market went back into balance. It felt random. Some days, everything worked. Other days, nothing did. Even though I was doing the same exact thing, that's when it finally clicked. I didn't understand what phase the market was in. Here's what was happening to me. Price would look strong, I'd buy, and it would instantly stall. Or price would break out of a range, I'd chase it, and it would snap back inside. Other times, I'd wait for pullbacks that never came because the market wasn't rotating anymore. It was flowing. Wasn't wrong about direction, I was wrong about context. And no indicator I was using was solving that. That's why I built the First Light Beacon. Not to predict price, not to give signals, but to map where price has already done business. So I could see what the auction was actually doing on the screen. Once I started looking at the market through that lens, everything changed. When price is in balance, candles overlap, moves fail quickly, price respects the same levels repeatedly. Before, I'd overtrade this. Now, the First Light Beacon makes it obvious. Price is rotating inside structure. If I'm trading here, I'm fading extremes, not chasing moves. This is where I missed the biggest moves. Price would break out, but I'd hesitate because I was used to getting faded. The First Light Beacon solved that by showing me when price leaves a zone with an intent, when rotations get a little smaller, and when structure stops holding. That's how I know the market has shifted from rotation to flow. Now I stop fading and start aligning. This one hurt the most. I'd be in good trades, then give it all back trying to force continuation. The First Light Beacon shows me accumulation clearly. Repeated rejections at the same zones, slowing progress, failed pushes. That's my cue to stop pressing and start protecting. The biggest mistake I made wasn't bad execution. I was trying to trade one way in every market condition. The First Light Beacon gave me something I never had before: clarity on market phase. Once I know the phase, the trade becomes obvious. And when the phase isn't right, I don't trade. That's what changed everything for me. So let me show you what I'm talking about. This right here, obviously we know it went short, right? And everybody's buying. We're in an uptrend. We get a new low and it breaks out. So we're chasing the breakout, right? Not me. I shorted this. I'm about to show you why. So here is the First Light Beacon. Right here is this is a 4-hour zone. This is showing me the 4-hour candle turned into this. And this is what I call the institutional ladder. Right here. It's another indicator of ours. Now, I look for price to touch and break into these zones here. And then I sit on my hands and wait and see what price does. If price would have broke up from this institutional ladder and come down and retest this zone and went up, I would have went long and targeted this zone. That's it. And when that happens, you'll see the zone stepping up like this. You'll see it stepping up. So you know that you're in expansion. Okay. But it didn't do that. It actually rejected and broke down. And you see this candle right here? This would be my trigger point. Okay. I like to get in on the retest though. So I would see this retest right here and it would be actually being the same entry, but just less drawdown. And then I'm going to put my stop at the zone and I'm going to target the next institutional ladder. Right? So right inside of there somewhere. That's it. We're trading level to level, okay? And then we're using order flow because this indicator right here, the First Light Beacon, is based on order flow. It's showing you the profile and what price is doing. And when you get the crossovers, it's insane. We also have our large order dots, basically, that will show you that orders are flowing into the market and you get this buy right here and price actually rejects it, I'm going to enter that, right? I'm going to enter that 100% because we're getting buyers that are coming in, but price is rejecting the value. So I'm going to short this and I'm going to target the next zone. That's it. That's all I'm going to do. It's that simple. So this is what I want you to do. I want you to come to our website, firstlightbeacon.com, and click on schedule Zoom. Right here, schedule a demo. By the way, it's patent pending. But if you click schedule Zoom demo, you can come here. You can read this if you want, and you can schedule the Zoom, or you can get instant access, whatever you like to do. And when you schedule Zoom, you can come in here and you can pick a time and date that's available right here for free. Doesn't cost you anything. You don't have to put in a credit card or anything like that. And I'm going to spend 30 minutes with you and show you exactly what this thing does. So you can make an intelligent decision on whether you want to attempt to use it or not. And this is for beginning traders all the way to experts. This is going to give you models and entry models that are going to increase your RR and increase your win rate and really show you when and when not to get into trades. Again, it's firstlightbeacon.com, and we will talk to you soon.